Hey, Tate here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Ethereum. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott to Ethereum and provide multiple scenarios your price may take and explain why I prefer one counter over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on more local time frame again and looking at this structure overall here. So in this one we were looking at a 5-way structure coming down, not that one, this one, in which we had this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the expectation yesterday was that either this was going to be this expanding diagonal, which is again in itself is rare, or this is going to be something else and turning into either wave 1 of 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. But again, we did not really need that extension. But yeah, this definitely itself was a rare structure. So I did not take any longs here, here or here. Because even on this wave 1 here, I did not really see this as a 5-way move. If we are just looking at this here, this definitely feels a bit wrong to me. I don't know how we're going to be getting, is this a diagonal where this last bit here does not even overtake this wave 1 top or wave 3 top? Is this a truncated diagonal? I just don't know. To me, this reminded me so much more of a 3-way move rather than anything impulsive, so that's why I was not in trades here. And after we got this spike, I knew that okay, this definitely can still be a 3-way move here, and I was measuring this all along of this rise. But yeah, I completely missed this, but I had no reasons to enter here, no reasons to enter here, here or here. So I missed this move, and that's fine for me. This here currently definitely looks like a pretty good 5-way move if we are just ignoring the smaller time frames. Again, for me this would be a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We do have that divergence between these highest peaks here from the 3rd of 3rd to the 3rd of 5th and the 5th of 5th, to giving us that triple divergence here, and now we could be looking for downwards again. Again, as this is a 5-way move, it is either a part of something before it or a continuation of this move should be happening to upside at some point. So to me, the easiest way would be either shorting this top here as I've done, or looking at the long setups once this has retraced to either these lows here. At least I'm looking at the 38.2 here. So around here, around 15.32 to this 15.11 and the golden pocket, of course, to see if there is some kind of confluence around there. To me, there is not too much. There is, of course, these previous peaks that we went through here, supporting some of the ideas that we could have. Golden pocket and this 0.5 definitely has this volume spike here, so that could be catching us if we are again coming down, and that would be another setup for longs. Currently, again, I'm just looking at this short setup, taking my profits early here, setting my stop loss higher around the break even, or even just below here somewhere, if this is turning out to be that good looking setup. Now, if it just blasts off here, I got a tight stop loss here though, so yeah, I'm not losing much. Again, it is about the percentages and the probabilities of these trades and the sizes of how much you would be trading. Like this would be it, basically it for the first take profit, 3 to 1 take profit for the first TP. That is pretty good to me. And then second would be around here, and the third around here. Of course, you should be front running these levels just a bit, just to get that more certain take profit. At least that's what I do. Seems to be working out pretty fine for me. And as well here, for the first TP, I would be looking into a long setup against this low here. Of course, that at that point, the risk to reward is not that great as of yet. So you could be waiting for another setup to form. If this is coming down like so, we'd look for that 5-wave up and then 3-wave back, and then look for long setups here against this low here. However you want to be doing it. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Ethereum is definitely looking very impulsive here. So I'm expecting upside here today, or well, maybe today could be that retracement day, and we would be looking at this short setup here, and then the next day up. Where are we going with this? I'm thinking that we are again doing some kind of ABC, either the 0.5 here, depending of course on the retracement that we would be getting. If we are going to the golden pocket, we would be right around the 1-to-1. Extension would be around the 38.2, which would be again the minimum target. We want to be looking for the retracement for this structure here, and then continuation downwards again, because this is a 5-way structure that is not part of anything before it. I'm pretty certain that we are looking for another setup downwards. Now of course this possible ABC that is to come can morph into something like this, into a WXY or ABC like this. We just don't know about that. But the invalidation for this whole setup of this being a 5-way move would be all the way up here. So yeah, quite a long ways around still. But yeah, I'm still playing these smaller setups here until I get a good entry. I'm looking at these areas here around 1820 to 1650 area for that next short opportunity on higher time frame. But yeah, that is pretty much all I wanted to cover today on ETH. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes, link to my free Discord server in the description below, and for now I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video, bye bye.